In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to get feedback from a friend or share your latest project with a client, knowing how to quickly and efficiently share your site is essential. Let's dive right in and go through this simple process step by step. First, open your internet browser and navigate to Squarespace's login page. Now, you'll want to click on the login button. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to create one and return to this step once you are set up. When you click on this button, you'll be directed to a page where you can enter your credentials. However, if you prefer a quicker login process and already have a Google account, you can seamlessly continue by selecting the Continue with Google option. This method is perfect for those who want to bypass remembering yet another password. Once you've logged into your account, you should see a dashboard displaying all your sites. Simply locate your website from this list and click on it. This action will take you to your website's main editing and management interface. It's a user-friendly space where you can make all the necessary updates and tweaks to your content. Now, for sharing your website, you'll need to see it as your visitors would. Look toward the top right corner of the screen where you will find the preview button. Clicking on this button allows Squarespace to load the live version of your site, showing you exactly what your audience will experience. This step is crucial because it ensures that everything appears as it should before you share it with others. With the preview of your website displayed, direct your attention to the URL bar at the top of your browser. This web address is the link others will use to access your site. Highlight the entire URL, then right-click and select Copy, or simply use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C if you're on a PC, or Command+C if you're on a Mac. It's that simple. You now have your website's link ready to share. Finally, choose how you want to spread the word. You can paste the copied URL into an email, a social media post, or any other communication platform you prefer. Simply use the paste function, and just like that, your site is ready for public view. Remember, the goal is to make your site accessible to the intended audience effortlessly. And there you have it, you've successfully shared your Squarespace website without any fuss. This straightforward process ensures that your site can reach the world in just minutes, allowing you to spend more time on what you love, creating amazing content. Thank you for joining me today, and happy sharing.